This is event number 51, Heat 3, Lane 0. Reverend William Gray of St. Mary Angel College. Lane 1, Lonto John Adrian of St. Stephen High School. Lane 2, Tapuro Gabriel Jetro of Anitouch. Lane 3, Ang Jose of Pangasinan Universal Institute. Lane 4, Chua Duke of Philippine Cultural College. Lane 5, Chua Chase Gabriel of Life Academy Swimming Team. Lane 6, Sean Nathaniel Austin of St. Stephen High School. Lane 7, De La Cruz Antonio of MGC Moonlight Swimming Team. Lane 8, Liam Francesco Roberto of St. Stephen High School. Lane 9, Peira Manolo of Life Academy Swimming Team. Swimmer for event 53, please proceed to the ready bench now. Once again, swimmer for event number. Once again, swimmer for event number 53.